Hello everyone. Today we are going to study the one topic, that is the biological classification. I am Professor A.S. Rathod, Department of Agricultural Botany, KKO College of Agriculture, Nasik. In that the biological classification, we have to study the different classes of that the species, that is the Plantae, Animalia, fungi, bacteria. In that the scientist R.H. Whitaker in that the 1969 proposed a five kingdom classification on the basis of cell structure, thallus organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, phylogenetic relationship. The five kingdoms are the Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae, Animalia. We see the one by one. In that the kingdom Monera, bacteria are the sole member of that kingdom Monera. Four type of bacteria based on their shape: the spherical coccus, the rod-shaped bacillus, the comma-shaped vibrio, the spiral, that is the spirillum. Then the kingdom Protista, these are single cell eukaryotes, primarily aquatic. Cell body contains well-defined nucleus and other membrane-bound organelles. Some have flagella or cilia, reproduce asexually or and sexually and asexually. Then kingdom Protista, chrysophytes includes the diatoms and golden algae found in fresh water as well as in marine environments. Most of them are photosynthetic. Diatoms are the chief producer in the ocean. Then kingdom Protista, dinoflagellate, marine and photosynthetic, appear yellow, green, brown, blue or red depending on the main pigments present in their cells. Most of them have two flagella, one lies longitudinally and the other transversely in a furrow between the wall plants. Then red dinoflagellates, that is the undergo such rapid multiplication that they make the sea appear red, the red tides. Toxins released by such large number may even kill other marine animals such as fishes. Then kingdom Protista, euglenoids, freshwater organism found in stagnant water also. They have a protein rich layer called pellicles which make their body flexible. Then they have two flagella, the short and the long one. Then Slima molds, these are saprophytes protists. They form an aggregation called plasmodium which may grow and spread over several feet. During unfavorable condition, the plasmodium differentiate and form fruiting bodies bearing spores at their tips. They are extremely resistant and survive for many years. Then protozoans, also the example of that the Protista. And that the kingdom fungi, most fungi are heterotrophic and absorb soluble organic matter from dead substance and hence called as the saprophytes. Those that depend on living plants and animals are called parasites. They can also live as symbionts in association with algae as lichens and with roots of higher plants as mycorrhiza. The phycomites, the example of the fungi, ascomites, basidomites, deuteromites. Then next kingdom, that is the Plantae, includes all eukaryotes, chlorophyll containing organism commonly called that is the plants. The plant cell have an eukaryotic structure with prominent chloroplast and cell wall mainly made of cellulose. Then Plantae includes the algae, bryophytes, pteridophytes, gymnosperms and the angiosperms. Then Animalia, heterotrophic eukaryotic organisms that are multicellular and their cell lack, that is the cell wall. They directly or indirectly depend on plant for foods. They follow a definite growth pattern and grow into adults that have a definite shape and size. Then most of them are capable of locomotions. The sexual reproduction is by copulation of male and female followed by embryological development. Then the viruses did not find a place in classification since they are not truly livings. The viruses are non-cellular organisms that are characterized by having an inert crystalline structure outside the living cell. Then, in addition to protein, viruses also contain genetic material that could be either RNA or the DNA. A virus is a nucleoprotein, and the genetic material is infectious. Viruses cause disease like mumps, smallpox, herpes, and the influenza, and that is it like different diseases. And thank you for listening my lecture.